Hi, in this video, I would like to present NetTool software which has been developed by NETFORM Engineering. NetTool is actually an analytical calculator that gives you the stress state of shrink-fit dies used in cold and warm forging. It uses elasticity theory and analytical equations to calculate the stress distribution inside the die elements. In the database of the NetTool software, there are various tungsten carbide and tool steel materials available for selection. Now let us see how NetTool software helps the tooling engineers about determining right shrink-fit die assembly parameters. We want to analyze the stress distribution inside the cold forging tooling of a metric 8 bolt. The user first select an insert material. In this case, it is 10% cobalt containing tungsten carbide material with medium grain size. And as a ring material, I am selecting steel with 46 Rockwell hardness. The internal pressure is taken from the FEA analysis or from the literature. The inner diameter of the tooling is 8 millimeters. This is the hole diameter. The outer diameter of the insert is 20 millimeters. The outer diameter of the ring is 80 millimeters in this case. And the interference between ring and insert is 5 per mil, which corresponds to 0.1 millimeter. Then I hit calculate button and see that the die assembly yields. In detailed analysis window, you can see the stress ring yields first. It's exposed to plastic deformation. Then I'm reducing the interference value to 4 per mil, which corresponds to 0.08 millimeter. Hitting the calculate button again, and then I see the die assembly is safe. The software can optimize also the interference value. Click the optimization mode and optimization button. For the given diameter values, the software gives you optimum interference value within a few seconds, and it is 2.91 per mil for this die assembly. Thanks for listening.